Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Farida here with Fashion by Faith Iman. Today we're finishing up our mindfulness series and just talking about and discussing ways we can be really mindful in everyday aspects of our life. Um, Today we're going to be discussing the whole concept of mindfulness and just understanding what it means to be within yourself and how to take some time for yourself, be still, be in the present moment, and be content with what's going on at the moment. Mindfulness is a practice I've practiced for most of my life, especially probably about 5 years ago when I was going through a very difficult time. I had dealt with multiple deaths and sickness within myself and just a tremendous amount of anxiety, stress, and depression. And it just triggered things in me that I did not really realize that I was struggling with in a way. And it just took over my body. And I'm the type of person that wants some kind of control over their body and that wants to really be in the moment when I'm doing something. So I had to really learn and train my mind to do these techniques. The first one, of course, is sitting. Simple, I know. But especially in anger, especially during stress and depression, especially during intense emotional times, simply taking a seat and breathing is one of the best ways you can help yourself. Another way to really develop mindfulness is the practice of stopping when that trigger is active. So many of us push our triggers to the back, to the end of the day, to the end of the week, to the end of the month, to the end of the year, and we just explode. And that can be extremely toxic to the brain. It can create rhythms and patterns within the brain that are just take a lifetime to undo. So instead of doing that, let's focus on being mindful in the moment. What is triggering me now? Take myself to the bathroom at work if I have to go to work. Take a deep breath. Get off of my phone if it's something on my phone that's triggering me. A text, something that I just saw on social media, and identifying when to stop and slow down. It's closest to when the emotional state is happening. It's so beneficial to you, and you will understand how to control yourself and how to release that time, that mindset in the moment. And this is a hard one for me because everyone goes through their different trials in life. But last but not least, I think mindfulness ties a lot into forgiveness of yourself and understanding how your brain and body works. And so sometimes you exercise, you get way too tired, okay? And you have to be mindful of that. You have work, you have probably a family life, you have things going on with your health, and then you exercise and you're just doing a normal activity, not overexerting yourself, but then you start to feel fatigue and lethargic, and you start to blame the exercise or you blame things and you're just very stressed out with an activity that's supposed to help you de-stress, right? And so it's just sometimes being mindful of yourself and what's going on with you at that moment. Sometimes you have a lot of things going on in life at one time, and you just need to take some inventory and understand that I'm okay with myself. This is how I work. This is how my dimensions and things I might need to replenish within myself. But I truly have to love and forgive myself and understand that this is how I function at this moment. And this may not be how I'm functioning all the time. One day I'm going to build and get to a higher vibration of myself. But mindfulness is so urgent and so important for the time and space that we're in now. But as always, guys, I appreciate you watching these videos. If you need anything, again, you know where to reach me. It's fashion/iman.com. I'm Farida McBride, the owner and creator of Fashion by Faith Iman, the premier lifestyle brand. We are completely virtual, other than our sister company, Photography by Farida, which focuses on branding and marketing pictures and headshots for people in the industries. And if you need any assistance in any way with these type of issues or coaching in these type of spectrums, we are here to help, and the information will be below. Much love. I appreciate you guys watching all the videos in the series. As always, again, share, like, comment, and subscribe. And we are so grateful that you're here. Assalamu alaikum.